Hello, everyone. Hi, good morning. How are you all? Are you all good? That's good to know. Very nice. All right. So, how are we doing, guys? Are we doing good? Have we done our homework? हमने हमारा homework किया? Have we done our homework? Yes? All right. So, if we have done our homework, but I have not received your homework, so I need to know कि कितने students ने homework कर लिया है. Give me your homework. Give me your homework. If you have done your homework, I need to know yes. All right. So I've got yes from Shubhi. I've got yes from Jasbir. All right. Poonam. Very nice. So a lot of you have given me the homework, right? ठीक है. तो अब आप जैसे आप सबको पता है कि समर कैंप अब फिनिश होने की तरफ बढ़ रहा है, we are at the time where we have to finish the summer camp. We are left with 2 or 3 more days. So I want to do one activity with all my students. So before I do that activity, I want to know that how many of you have written down adjectives? आपने कितने सारे बच्चों ने adjectives लिखे हैं? कल हमने adjectives किए थे, remember? Yes? Did you make a list of adjectives? Did you make a list of adjectives? All right. So it's really good to know that all of you are very excited and you're very happy about the homework that you're sending. So with this, let's do a revision, okay? एक revision करें हम लोग. Shall we do a revision? Okay. So let's do a revision. Let's do the revision for whatever we have done yesterday. Do you remember what we did yesterday? Do you remember what we did yesterday, students? कोई मुझे बताएगा हमने कल क्या किया था? All right, शुभी. शायद मेरे पास अभी आया नहीं है, but आ जाएगा. Don't worry. All right. So, what are the list of adjectives that we have done? क्या क्या list of adjectives हमने किया है? Have we done? हमने करा है नहीं करा? Share the list of adjectives. कुछ थोड़े बहुत adjectives use करके sentences बनाओ. Yes, Poonam Atlakha, I have really received your story. एक story मेरे पास आई है, वो बहुत अच्छी है, and I know that, I've seen that. Very nice. Very nice, Jasbir. Describe anyone. So you make a sentence. Make sentences with the synonyms, with the adjectives that we have done yesterday. Can we do that for ma'am? Can we do that? She's a delightful person. Ma'am, you see my story video and smile video? Yes, Vinita, I've seen it. It's very beautiful. Did you receive my PPT, ma'am, my story? Yes, I have received that. Rekha is kind. Very good. Good morning. That girl is wearing a blue dress and is flabby. Okay. Flabby का मतलब क्या होता है? Do we know the meaning of the word flabby? There was a fancy dress competition yesterday. Okay. Very good. Shivangi ma'am is gorgeous and attractive. Oh my god, I'm not. You're even gorgeous than me, yaar. Lord Krishna and Radha is very charming. Lord Krishna and Radha Rani is क्यों आया विनीता? With a big stomach out. Okay. Very good. Very nice. Make more sentences. Show me that you have learned some words. आप लोगों ने मेरा PDF देखा था कल जो मैंने भेजा था? Yes. Did you get a chance to see that? Yes, maybe no. और सेंटेंसेस बताओ, हमने कितने सारे वर्ड्स याद किए थे? By mistake, ma'am, no. More words, more words. Stocky, muscular, ugly, massive, immense. कितने सारे words किए थे हमने कल? Attractive the moment, smile, creating an attractive dimple at the corner of a mouth. All right, very good. Hi, good morning, Swati. The scenery is very attractive, very good. Megha is scroofy. Scroofy का मतलब क्या होता है? स्क्रूफी का मतलब क्या होता है जसबीर? Very good. This model is so attractive, very nice. और बताइए. Wow. Very nice. Men who go to a gym are very muscular. Unkempt, they look well, kind of messy and unkempt. Unkempt, they look well, kind of messy and unkempt. ये कैसा सेंटेंस हुआ शिव कुमार? Shiv Kumar, please tell me. Please tell me the sentence. Can you repeat your sentence? We should have a big heart. Yes, of course, we should have a big heart. That's true. और बताइए. Tell me, then I have an interesting activity. बताइए जल्दी. और कौन से वर्ड्स किए थे हमने कल? और कौन मुझे बताएगा और कौन से वर्ड्स किए थे हमने? वर्ड्स याद करो, कौन से वर्ड्स किए थे कल हमने? चलो, आप कोई सेंटेंस बना रहे हैं? Are you making the sentence? Are we making the sentence? Okay. A person is not just beautiful by its appearance, but also... All right. Very nice. Dazzling. Now I have another dazzling thought bred from my brilliant research. Delightful, bald, ambitious. Very good. All right, students, are we sharing? हमने video share करी? Have we shared the video with our friends and family members? Let's do that. Let's do that, please. All right, please share the video with your friends and family members. Please do that. और sentences कोई बना रहा है? Are we sharing it with friends, family members? Are we doing that? All right. Clumsy, she made a clumsy attempt, a joke. Okay. She made a clumsy attempt to make a joke. All right. Okay. All right. Very well tried, Shiv Kumar. Anybody else? Yes. Okay. You're sharing the videos with your friends and family members. That's very good. All right. So, and if I talk about the negative words that we have done yesterday, the negative personality words, the adjectives that we can use, can you give me some more insights, more examples? Yes? Oh, wow. So elegance, and then she stepped forward, looking elegant in a dark tuxedo. Oh my God, that's very pretty, you know. That's really good. I liked it, Poonam. Very well tried. All right. Okay. Jolly, she had a jolly time at the party. Okay. So when you write this sentence, just make sure कि jolly के बाद एक dash लगा दिया करो so that it makes sense. Okay. Very good, Sunny. Thank you so much for sharing. She had a jolly time at the party. All right. Fancy seeing you alive. Okay. Very nice. You all remember the words that we did yesterday. It's so good to see. And how many of you have made your mystery books? Mystery books? Are you making? Bewildered. Can we make a sentence with the word bewildered? Can we do that? All right. Very nice. Bewildered, angry, fierce. I'm fit. Oh, you're fit. So you're giving us a competition, Poonam, right? Indeed, you're fit. Very nice. And how about bewildered? Anyone who would let me know the meaning of the word bewildered? Sentence, people, sentence. I need sentences. So we did almost like 60 words yesterday. Not 60, but maybe 40, 50 words, yeah? She was wearing a clumsy pajama and a huge sack-like t-shirt. Wow. Okay. Bewildered, she gave me another bewildered look. Okay, very nice. So you're getting your virtual chocolates. Please catch them, huh? Do catch them. Don't forget to catch your virtual chocolates, okay? Chalo. So let's start with today's activity. She was bewildered between the questions given by Shivangi ma'am. I have made my mysterious book, mystery book. The spelling of the word mystery is wrong. Just see, I know this is a typing error. Clumsy, defeated, embarrassed. I am glad, students, that you remember all the words that we discussed yesterday. Mother would be angry on me because I have break the vase. I have broken the vase. She's very lazy, so I don't like her. Okay. Okay. Anybody else? Amazing. I'm just loving the response that you are giving me. That's truly interesting, and that truly shows that you all are very much interested in the sessions. A lot of learning, I would say. So are we sharing the videos with our friends and family members? Do share the videos. And all right, guys, if I may ask you, tell me one thing. How many of you are making the videos and sending me the homework? Are we doing that? Are we doing that? So I want all the homework by today. As promised by all of you, I would want to see your homework. I know a lot of people have sent the homework and I've already shown you as well, Res. I have already showed you a lot of homework that I have received. Yes, Vinita, I've seen all the mystery books that I've got, and I'm very happy to see that you are sending your homework. Just a point that please ensure that you send your homework in time. As you know, we are about to finish the summer camp, so we have to upload everything on Ravel Digital Munch so that we all can give you virtual chocolates. Remember? Remember the concept of virtual chocolates, and I promise that I'll come to your school, each and everybody's school, and give you the chocolates when we meet. Yes, Swati, if you have given me the homework, I would have definitely got. Helpless, Itchy, jealous. Chalo, let's make sentences with the 3 words that Payal has written. We did it yesterday. He seems worried about his daughter. Very good. और sentences बनाएंगे इन्हीं words के साथ. Can we do it? Can we do it? Can we make the sentence with the word helpless? I want dark chocolate. Okay, you're a dark chocolate lover, just like ma'am. Okay, you will get, just make the sentences. So quickly make the sentences. I'm waiting for your sentences. Make your sentences quickly. I will send the video with parents. Yes, I want कि आपके parents भी बताएं कि आपका experience कैसा है summer camp को लेकर. All right? So we'll do that. Okay. The coronavirus has left people helpless. Very good. Okay. So let's see what we have for today. She becomes helpless after the robbery in her house. Very nice. I give you in the 8th. What is it? I'll give you in the 8th D. I didn't get you, Indu. मुझे आपकी बात नहीं समझ आई. She is helpless. She don't help anyone. All right. We should always help helpless people. Wow. He was helping during the COVID infection in him. He was helpless during the COVID infection in him. My bad. Yes, very good. Clumsy. I have very clumsy hands and tend to drop things. Very good. Defeated. What is it? Defeated crosses. Attacked was defeated and was killed. Defeated crosses. Maybe a name of a person. The persons are helpless. Okay, who are moving to their homes due to coronavirus. The people who are moving to their homes are helpless. All right. So can you see the activity on the screen? Full. Okay, faithful. My sister is a faithful girl. All right, very nice. Very good. Okay. When someone got success, when someone gets success, the people got jealous from, the people get jealous from him or her. Jealousy is our biggest enemy. Very good. The Uplight album showed a more personal side of Yash. Yes. Okay. Screen visible, thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up if the screen is visible to you. Screen visible? Thumbs up. Catch your virtual chocolates. All right, I'll definitely come to Raval Convent School. Don't worry. All right, so can you see what is there on the screen? Wow, pitful heaviness settled into the pits of his stomach. Oh, yes. Wow, very nice sentences. I'm glad, yeah. You people make so nice and so good sentences. It's really good to see all of you. It's very good. Ma'am, please come to St. Joseph Convent School. Of course, I'll definitely come. I'll come to every school in Faridabad. You invite me to your schools, I'll definitely come. Okay? So I'll definitely see you all. Okay. So what can you see on the screen? What is there on the screen? What can you see on the screen? Exercise 3. It is a... Do you do editing? Editing तो सबके इंग्लिश एग्जाम में आती होगी, राइट? जस्ट बी डोंट टेल द आंसर्स अभी. पहले हम लोग सबके साथ करेंगे, फिर हम आंसर्स डिस्कस करेंगे. ओके? ऑलराइट. ठीक है. Okay, so let's see what is there in the exercise. A debate is a contest. सबको पता है ना एडिटिंग कैसे करते हैं? ये जो sentences given है, 1 2 3 4 blanks given है, इन 4 blanks के अंदर ये जो 4 sentences दिख रहे हैं इनके साथ में, उनके अंदर कुछ गलती है. गलती है, errors हैं, mistakes. Okay? Errors मतलब mistakes हैं. हमें इन mistakes को correct करना है. हमें इन mistakes को correct करना है. Editing, very right. Shiv Kumar has rightly said this is editing. We are doing editing. So can you see some mistakes in these 4 sentences? Can you see? Yes? Can you see some mistakes in the sentences maybe? Can you see some mistakes in the sentences? Can you let me know about them? All right. So what are the mistakes that you can see in the different sentences? एडिटिंग का मतलब होता है कि इसमें कुछ गलतियां हैं, आपको दोबारा से पढ़ के उसको एडिट करना है, मतलब गलतियों को निकाल के सही करना है. एडिट करने का मतलब होता है कि गलती वाली चीज को करेक्ट करना है. ऑल राइट. All right, we can definitely do. Yes? समझ आया एडिटिंग का मतलब? ओके. अब हम देखिए कि मिस्टेक्स क्या हैं. ऑल राइट. ओके. A debate is a contest between two people to show skill but ability. सबको दिख रहा है क्लियरली? Show skill but ability for arguing, in arguing, क्या होगा? All right. सब आंसर्स दो अपने. Tell me the answer. सेकंड का आंसर क्या है? सो जसबीर सेड कि मैम ये इन वर्ड तो गलत है. जसबीर सेड दैट मैम दिस इन वर्ड इज इनकरेक्ट. ओके. पीपल टू शो स्किल and ability in arguing. All right, very good. And in place of but. Very nice. चलो अभी आंसर चेक करेंगे, थोड़ी देर सस्पेंस बना के रखते हैं. फॉर पार्टिसिपेट इन अ डिबेट, आंसर क्या होगा? फॉर पार्टिसिपेट इन अ डिबेट वी मस्ट प्रिपेयर फॉर इट. आंसर क्या होगा नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस का? फॉर पार्टिसिपेट इन अ डिबेट वी मस्ट प्रिपेयर फॉर इट. फॉर पार्टिसिपेट इन अ डिबेट. For participate in a debate. Okay. To participate in a debate, we must prepare for it. ठीक है. All right. चलो तो हम आंसर साथ साथ देखते हैं. बट की जगह पे एंड आएगा. ओके. अ डिबेट इज अ कॉन्टेस्ट बिटवीन टू पीपल टू शो स्किल एंड एबिलिटी. बट क्यों आएगा? बट कब लगता है? बट लगता है जब कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग आइडियाज हो, अलग अलग चीजों के बारे में बात हो. क्लियर हुआ सबको? एंड क्यों आया? क्योंकि हम दो चीजों की बात कर रहे हैं, स्किल और एबिलिटी दोनों चाहिए होती है, राइट? इन आर्ग्यूइंग. फॉर की जगह क्या आएगा? टू पार्टिसिपेट इन अ डिबेट वी मस्ट प्रिपेयर फॉर इट. अब देखो ऊपर क्या लिखा हुआ है? पीपल, और यहाँ वी लिखा हुआ है. वी और पीपल तो एक दूसरे के साथ मैच नहीं कर रहा ना. तो क्या आएगा? पीपल के लिए क्या लगेगा? पीपल बहुत सारे हैं, तो पीपल के लिए क्या लगेगा? दे. क्या लगेगा? दे लगेगा. यस. ठीक है. One must prepare a outline of main points in the order in which one is going to argue. Prepare. All right, I'll zoom it. Oops. Better? Is it visible, students? Very good. V की जगह दे आएगा. Yes? Okay? Last वाला. One must prepare an outline. One must prepare a outline or an outline. Tell me. आंसर क्या होगा? आउटलाइन नहीं होगा ना. आउटलाइन क्या है? आउटलाइन इज starting with a vowel. It's starting with a vowel, right? It's starting with O vowel. So it's going to be an. It's going to be an. ठीक है? Good. Is it good? Yes? Okay. Now I'll show you something very interesting. Are you excited to watch videos? Do you want to watch video? Okay, I'll show you video today. हमने एक भी वीडियो नहीं देखी. एक सेकेंड देना, ओके? Okay, very excited. I'll show you the video. Okay? I'll show you the video and video will talk about some of the words. जैसे कुछ words अलग अलग pronounce होते हैं ना, कई लोग schedule बोलते हैं, कई schedule बोलते हैं, yes, कई education बोलते हैं, कई education बोलते हैं. Okay? तो अभी हम आज देखेंगे कि कुछ ऐसे words जिनकी pronunciation change हो गई है. ठीक है? Excited?
Challenge you,
okay.
Right? So there's a lot of words out there which are prone to being mispronounced. Now, mispronunciation just takes the magic out of the language. So I have a list of common words which get mispronounced, but I'm going to tell you what is the correct pronunciation. Stay with me. Hello, my name is Rima and welcome to yet another fantastic fantastic lesson. Did I just say fantastic? Well, I actually mispronounced fantastic. That's right, that's what happens in the English language. A lot of words, they don't get pronounced properly. That means people don't really say them the way they're supposed
enjoy
to be
the
said.
video.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you through a list of words which are very commonly mispronounced, and I'm going to clarify and tell you the correct pronunciation so that you do not make a mistake, and the next time when you're speaking, people don't snicker and laugh at you. So the first one on my list which you need to be very careful about is comfortable. That's right. So I've heard a lot of people pronouncing this word as comfortable. Now I agree there's a table in the word, it's part of the word, but that doesn't mean that you put out the table. The correct pronunciation actually happens to be comfortable, which means come for table, where the A is actually subtle. You know, you don't give so much importance to the A.
Watch the video and enjoy.
Just like kind of there, almost not there. So it's comfortable and not comfortable.
Comfortable nahi hoga, comfortable.
And up next, one of my favorites which gets mispronounced so many times. Now this word is actually a combination of two words, break and fast, which indicates the time when you actually break your fast and eat some food, which means early morning, because the word is breakfast. Now this is something we eat as a meal every morning, the first meal of the day. But if you pronounce it as breakfast, because it's like two words combined together, now that is going to be wrong, wrong, wrong. The correct thing is breakfast. So it'll be like breakfast. Again, the A in break and the A in fast need not get so much importance in this case. They have to be pronounced very subtly. So breakfast is breakfast and not break fast, because frankly speaking, you're not really breaking anything either slowly or fast. The next one I have for you is a word which is actually a month of the year. To be precise, the second month of the year. It's February. I've heard a lot of people mispronounce this and call it February. What is February? So when you say February, you're actually forgetting the R. So the correct pronunciation is Feb-ru.
More than 95%
God.
people say that public speaking skill is a learnable skill. And if it is a learnable skill, then we have to learn. But when we say learn, what exactly we learn in public?
That's right. So it's February and not February, wherein you forget the R. So that's three interesting words for you which can be mispronounced. There's comfortable, breakfast, February, and up next, the star of the show. It is not mortgage, because it's not like Mort, the guy is trying to gauge something. It actually happens to be mortgage, wherein the T is silent. So the pronunciation is mortgage. Now, mortgage actually means a loan that one has taken against any kind of property or land. And when you keep the T silent, that's when you get the pronunciation bang on. Coming up, the next one. Oh my God, now this one makes me very, very hungry. Yes. It's buffet, okay, with the T being silent. And this word actually means a spread of food. Now, I've heard a lot of people call it buffet, but actually the T is a sleeping member of the word. It's silent there but not there. So you need to call it buffet, and the pronunciation is buffet. So that's buffet for you. Like a spread of food, lots of food at one go, wherein you self-serve yourself. That's what the word means. And the
I'm sorry.
next one is mischievous. Someone who's very, very naughty is called mischievous. Now, I've heard a lot of people actually forget this I here and pronounce this word as mischievous. No, mischievous is wrong. The correct pronunciation is
Oh God, there's an ad.
If you are in sales, before you go for your next sales presentation, you should attend this 3 hours of live training workshop on public speaking.
V-S. So it's mischievous. Do not forget to pronounce this I. I is very important. That's right. So it's not mischievous, it's mischievous. Okay. Moving on, the next one. Every woman's best friend, the jewel. Now, when you see a W in a word, it's very easy to pronounce this word as jewel because of the W sound, but it's actually jewel. That is jewel, and this is exactly how the word is pronounced. So a lot of words are derived from the word jewel. So there's jewelry. So a lot of people actually end up saying jewelry, which is actually not correct at all. It's actually jewel.
Are we getting it? समझ आ रहा
So
है?
that's how jewelry is pronounced. And the next one is wrecker. Now a lot of people are tempted to call this reoccur because yes, it's derived from a reoccurring event, but that doesn't mean you have to pronounce it as reoccur. You have to use the word as wrecker because as you can notice, there is no O here and there is no extra C here in the spelling, which is why it's pronounced as wrecker, and the pronunciation can be written down as
Record.
wrecker. You know, so wrecker means something that happens over and over again. So the next one on my list now is bowl. I have heard so many people actually call it a bowl. Again, the W is responsible. Now, just because there's a W in the word, you need not overpronounce that one alphabet. You just have to make it subtle and call it bowl. So your pronunciation goes like this. It's actually bowl. And obviously, you know, bowl means a container that can hold your food or fruit or something of the
Yes.
kind. So that's bowl for you, because trust me, if you use the word bowl, it sounds really weird. It kind of rhymes with howl, and it reminds me of a howling hyena. Now you don't want to go there, so keep it subtle. Call it bowl.
Yes,
you know, it
Parinita.
sounds really nice and, you know, dignified. And, you know, a bowl of fruit is healthy as dinner. And the next and the last one for today on my list is plural. Now this means more than one. More than one. And I've heard a lot of people make a mistake here and actually call out this word as plural, which rhymes with floral and which is oh so not correct. So plural is actually pronounced as
Blue.
plu. So you can actually put an O here. Rul.
Plural. Plural.
So that's the pronunciation for plural, which means more than one. And if you're saying plural, correct it today. So a lot of these words I've heard are commonly mispronounced, and they can actually, you know, create a bad impression as if you don't really know the English.
How was it? Was it good? Now I want everyone to record these words today, okay? Please record these words today and make sure you send me the recording. Video बनाना. आपने words note down करे सबने? Have you noted down these words? सबको समझ में आया? समझ में आया सबको? Yes? अब हम सारे ये वाली वीडियोस बना पाएंगे? Can we make the videos? Are we able to? ठीक है, तो फिर हम ये वीडियोस बनाते हैं. ऑलरेडी थोड़ा सा लेट हो गया आज का सेशन. ऑसम वीडियोस, यू एंजॉयड? ओके, ऑल राइट. तो अब आपने ना एक छोटी सी वीडियो बनानी है ये वर्ड्स को यूज करते हुए, और आपने बताना है कि आज हमने प्रोनाउंसिएशन सीखी कितने वर्ड्स की? 10 वर्ड्स की जो हम गलत यूज करते हैं, जो हम गलत तरीके से बोलते हैं. ठीक है, गुड है. आपने अपनी वीडियो में बताना है दैट इन टुडेज सेशन वी हैव सीन अ वीडियो, और उससे हमें ये समझ में आया कि हम 10 वर्ड्स हम क्या करते हैं? गलत प्रोनाउंस करते हैं. तो हमें ये 10 वर्ड्स सही से बोलकर रिकॉर्डिंग बनानी है, वीडियो बनानी है और देनी है. ठीक है? द होमवर्क इज कि जो आपने आज वर्ड सीखे हैं ना, जिनकी हम गलत प्रोनाउंसिएशन करते हैं, आपने उन वर्ड्स को रिकॉर्ड करके मुझे भेजना है, ठीक है? ऑल राइट, बाय।